bro.
Watch out.
Where's the carrot?
In the bag, in the bag.
In the bag, in the bag. Right, get ready, come on this side then. You got to hit this. No! You got any bullets here? Which I might go.
Don't get.
I don't know. You don't know. Hurry up, that box is just gonna burn out.
Come on, man's gonna get blown up.
Get away from it, come on, get away from it, you fucking idiot.
There's a can on there, remember? Get back! Shut up!
That's actually proper going up, Con. It's like a fucking fire bleed. Shit, all the other cans are next to it. Whoa! Let's put the others on there quickly.
Fucking him! Look at this stickhead! The fuck's
Hurry
the
up,
can
please.
at?
Hurry up.
Chuck him in! Oh.
Oh, you get it.
Stand back! Get back!
That one's not even on the fire anyway, so it shouldn't blow. The next one.
Oh, you...
Should I take the top off or not?
Yeah, take your top off. Smells like fucking rat piss or something.
I'm just gonna go up anyway by itself. The other one gives miles because it.
Oh, come on, it's amazing
Don't
shooting.
Get too close to it, man.
Get the fuck back.
He's a nutcase. I won't burn anyway.
Two misses. Oh,
Get out the way, can't you?
smoking like my nan.
Nearly out of fire. I can show you throw the other paper on it. Oh, no way. Throw the paper on it, Con. Okay. Actually, no, don't, because it might go near your face, man. I'll just put that out. No, it's not.
Nah, that's relighted. Oh, fucking beast of it, the second one.
Do you want me to pass you the ammo? Ammo.
It's like Wacky Reese. Look at him, fucking Grand Canyon coming out of his ass. Someone's gonna go!
It's gonna go!
Holy shit! Just fucking get out of it.
that went for